All right, we've just done an oil and filter change. Let's reset the service light. Start by holding down the set button in the bottom corner here in the right, and then turn your ignition on. It will come up, do you really want to reset oil service? Then press OK on your steering wheel. The service has been reset. Turn your ignition off. Now to reset the inspection service indicator, turn your hazard lights on. Now the same thing, hold the set button in the bottom corner of your cluster while you turn the ignition on. It'll come up, do you really want to reset the inspection? Press OK. Or you can go down and press cancel. So we want to reset the inspection. Press OK. Now the inspection service has been reset. Turn your hazard lights off, and that's it. Both service indicators are now reset. Turn your ignition off, and then you can just start your Amarok like normal. Beauty.